That's so bad. It's so corny, bro. It's so corny. Oh, this is fun. Alright, and welcome back to another Psychedelic Emuz live stream. I'll start off by making the usual announcements, just in case there's a new fellow here today. If you want to talk directly to me, head to Twitch. Hey Stockfish, how are you, mate? If you want to talk directly to me, head to Twitch. If you do that, I'm able to respond to you instantly. I've set it up so that I get notifications and stuff like that from Twitch. In regards to Facebook and YouTube, I won't be checking that as often as I do Twitch. So head over to Twitch to chat directly. Today we're going to be going through the we're going to be finishing off the map. So we did some more work on the map last time I was streaming, and we fixed a couple errors that we had made from the day I was a little bit impatient and tired. So we fixed up that, and today we're going to just be doing our final touches in getting it set up and creating an editor script for the nodes so that we can debug whether debug the nodes basically. Debug the whole map so that we know it's all working. And then once we finish that, we'll be going into creating some mechanics for our games. That is if I don't have to create any background systems of each level. So for example, I think a background system would be like controlling the failing of the level and controlling the succeeding of the level. That would be a system. So if we don't need to do those systems, then we'll go straight into doing the mechanics. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I really wanted to mention. So we'll get stuck into it. Thanks, Stockfish. Appreciated, man. So I'm actually out of vape. And in Australia, they've made vaping hard to get. So unfortunately, I had to buy cigarettes So I'm going to have to go for breaks during today's live streams to have a diary, basically. So I'm just about to roll one up now. Yeah, it sucks, man. And the diaries, like, this pouch costs fucking 56 bucks. 56 bucks. So, it's an expensive ass pouch. Yeah. Yeah, and it'll last me about a week. So, I need to find another place to get vapes. Because the place I was getting them from stopped selling them, basically, because I'm pretty sure they don't want to get in trouble or whatever. So they've stopped selling them, so I have to look for other alternative routes to get my my vapes, basically. So we'll just quickly roll this one, and I'll go out for a smoke, and then we'll get stuck into it. Yeah, I wish I could. I don't know how to. I was thinking like maybe I could like do like transfer it to the phone, but I don't think I can do that without like fully setting it up. So it's just gonna have to be moment. I'll be as quick as possible, but it's like it's what I have to do. Yeah, yeah, I know. I might set it up if it becomes a more future thing. Like if tomorrow I'm doing it, I might find a way to do that. To have it so I can just chuck it on the phone and go out for a diary with yous. Okay, but today unfortunately I just have to. You guys will just have to make do with what you got. But I won't put the BRB on. I'll just leave it like. Actually, probably should put. I'll put on BRB and I'll see you guys in a bit. back. I'm just double checking my mic. Last stream I literally was muted half the stream, so that was really annoying. Alright. Yeah, it was, bro, I was so pissed off. Oh, thanks, dude. Yep. Let's go to, what should we play? Some like dark stuff. For some reason I want like some dark stuff. Let's go moods. Mysterious. Suspense. Maybe suspense. Dark mood. Yeah, is there a dark mood? Yeah. Oh, dark. There is a dark mood. Right, and then like genre, trap or something. Techno? Techno or trap? Trap. Alright, let's do it. Just make sure that that is not too loud on the stream. That volume good? That's sick. I'll skip this song. I don't like vocals. Can I remove vocals? Alright, let's go. This doesn't sound very dark, it sounds kind of pleasant. Let's open up, like peaceful. I was in the mood for some like, you know, some fucking dirty shit. I got this peaceful stuff. Yeah, fuck that shit, bro. We don't want that shit right now. I don't want to feel happy. I want to feel like mad or anxious, you know. Yes, I got one of these as well. But this is it's empty. It's basically empty. So I got given that from Luke. He gave me his, but it's almost empty, so I'm conserving it as best as I can. Let's go. Okay, so we made all the nodes. Let's go. Let's get the nodes up. We made a couple nodes. Let's position these nodes nicely. I think they're gonna change position. Yeah, they're gonna change position when I scale the image. So I'm gonna have to work out how to get these nodes to work properly. Yeah, I agree with it. I agree with that, to be honest. Like I've heard the opposite opinion where it's like the government needs to, otherwise we'll just be all on the street, not hooked on drugs. But like I feel like they should be allowed to do that, basically. And yeah, I do need some form of anchor. I'm not sure how to go about doing it. Like they got good points on either side, so, but I still think people should be able to do, personally. Yeah, I wouldn't know how it looks like over there. Yeah, and it's a shit show. Oh shit, okay. Yeah, anchor it to the middle, but we need to basically anchor it to the image itself. So the map is gonna need an image. We're just gonna need an image on here. Just needs a layout element. Just go ignore layout. Mind. Okay, so it's because it's got a vertical layout group here. It's pushing it to the bottom. And the reason why I like that vertical layout group is because it's making sure that this background image is below the button bar. So we kind of need a way to expand it. I could put like a layout, ignore layout on here. So layout element, ignore layout, and then just kind of try and get this working here. Basically we just want these little dots to scale with the background image. So to do that, those nodes need to be on the menu foreground. But the problem with that is that this menu foreground just changes image. could do something like that. So the menu foreground just changes the image when I press play. I'll show you. So this UI menu foreground, when I click shed, it just changes the image to the background of the shed. And then the shed UI is displayed here, right? Which is fine in theory. But the problem is with the map, I want it to scale with the foreground background thing. So I might need to remove this and give each shed a background itself. So I'm going to do that. Let's remove this and then get the game menu, and we'll need to change this game menu manager now. Move all this. Let's just get rid of these. Yeah, I'm not a massive fan myself. I prefer working on systems and like working on background systems and like tools that people will use. Like tools that other developers would use. That's my favorite part of developing. Just put that width matcher on here. Image height matcher. Target rect mechanic. I can't remember how I set these up. Let's have a look at main menu. No worries, dude. Does it look better today or something, does it? Yeah, okay, yeah. Main menu, background. So UI background, main menu. I don't know. Oh, so it's the target right, I see. I remember. Let's go back to the game menu. Quickly fix that. Yeah, okay, yeah. Alright, so let's give it the CVS. Then threshold height 100. I can't remember. I don't remember what threshold height does. 1080p maybe. I can't remember how my script works, dude. Another peaceful song, bro. I don't know what's going on. $10.24. Let's just pass in. Let's just ignore the layout element. That was working better. The nodes aren't even moving the way I want them to either. Yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm doing, to be honest. I need to kind of You're reading some docs, okay. I'm just gonna remove this image height matcher. I'm gonna put it as a child. So I'm gonna remove the that element matcher. Then I'm gonna control height. Yeah. Let's go back. Let's go back and get that other script back. Oh, I can't go all the way back. That's fine. Okay, so how do I get things to stay where it is on the map? My idea is I stretch it. Put the anchors to the size of the picture, and then it should move with the picture. Let's put that layout element on it. No layout. Let's get the UI map to be the size of the screen for now. And then we can work with trying to get it to do the same thing with the screen that we need. So let's put fly home the size of the picture. Okay. Now let's position it middle. 124. Let's give it a size of like what, 50-50. And let's drag it to the side and then move the screen. Kind of staying in the same spot. Well, it's not moving across the screen like those top dots anymore. That's working a bit better. Maybe a grid for the nodes? Nah, I think just positioning them should be fine. I just gotta work out, well, remember how to do it. I'll push the changes of this. So node image, I want to apply this. Alright. Let's just position each of these. Fifty. The image is moving now. So I think maybe I'll put one of them, the height matcher. And we want the target rect threshold to be the size of the map. Oops, no, the target is this. Oops. Where'd it go, dude? Let's get it working how we did before now, because we know how to make it so it doesn't move for width. We just stretch it and then put the anchor in the middle. But it moves for height because the image is stretching and moving. But if we get it to stay the same, it should be okay. So let's get it working. So I gotta read this script again. I forgot how this script works. Okay. So basically what the script does is it keeps aspect ratio by the looks of it. So it keeps aspect ratio as of the height. So whatever the height is, that's basically all it does, really. So keeps aspect ratio of a target. So if the target threshold is more than the height of this threshold height, it sets the target aspect ratio to be the same as the threshold, and then if it's less than, it sets it to the min threshold height, this value here. So we want the min to be 1024. We could go like 512 actually. What's half of that? 512. Then we remove the layer element. Get the match of the canvas. And the target is the map itself. The threshold is the canvas itself. There we go. Okay, that's kind of working now. But it's not keeping the aspect ratio, it's changing the it's changing the height here. Let's pass in 124. See, that should not be happening. This should be doing stuff. Yeah, bro. This is maybe it's because we're still being affected by the vertical group. Let's just remove this. It was fucking useless anyways. Maybe we just do it by script. What if we make the map like a separate canvas, and then have give the player the ability to move the canvas around, and then that way we can kind of position nodes on the canvas itself. So instead of like it being UI, we'll just have it like a pointed space. That way I don't have to work with this shitty UI system, dude. So how would we do that? We could have it like, yeah. That might actually work, dude. So let's delete this. Not yet, actually. We'll create an empty. And we can just have a 2D object sprite. So let's go create empty and we'll just call it Yeah, we could do all kinds of stuff with that. We could even have it so the player can like scroll up and down to zoom in and out on the map as well. And then, yeah, this is the way we're doing it. Let's go map. Let's go F map, build map, maybe. That's what we'll call it. And then we'd need a 2D sprite. It doesn't really matter, circle. And we'll just go OBG map background. And all we'd have to do is, when the map is selected, we make something transparent. So let's remove this. And we just have to, when we got the map, we just turn this off. And we'll remove all these bold nodes. Need to be not an image but a sprite. What circles did we use? Are these the circles that we used? No. Oh, here they are. These it? Oh, there they are. Alright. Yeah, I don't know what this is, hey. Let's go back to moods, because I don't think our like dark is the same dark as the creator's dark. Fear. Let's go genres. And we'll go techno or something. Let's just leave it on fear and see what comes up. Okay, this is more dark. Fuck, I'm in a horror movie, bro. About the demons about to possess me, cunt. Yeah. It's better. It's better than whatever that was. Yeah, bro. I love murder. Dude, this guy. Got a fucking serial killer on our heads, bro. What do you say? Dude, this shit. I'm getting scared. I guard him because murder is evil. Oh no. Oh, I need some more Elon Musk! Hi, my name Elon Musk. I need a better Australian background. Let's find a better Australian background. Hi, my name is Elon Musk. Australia. Australia PNG map. Yeah, bro. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, I think this is our map. maybe. I don't know if that's gonna be, yeah, that's what I thought. It's not gonna be the right format. Surely there's like a... way to just download fucking PNG file, dude. PNG. Yeah. I'm pretty sure if it's PNG, when I import it, I can make white transparent. So let's just go on this one. Let's get out of this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, because I can make white transparent without, like, editing it. Up, Australian pins. That's wrong. Oh, that looks Aussie salute like. Oh, even that one looks Aussie salute like. Yo. Did you just give us a PNG, bro? Sweetness. Hang on, mate, give us a sec. Yeah, what's up? Yeah. Yeah, no, what's up? Server. Yeah, I was on the server, right. Let's go find me a beautiful pin. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's done it. He's done it. I'll take that, thank you very much. Let's put it in. Does he salute? Background. App. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that should be fine for now. I'm not much of an artist, so... should be fine. Thanks, dude. This. Was he salute? Backgrounds. Oh. I swear I saved it, I swear. Oh, it's not saving. And you can help me out. Oh yeah. No commitments. No strings. What do you mean, like with the game itself? Yeah, okay. I'll have a think about it, dude, because that might be good, actually. Why is it not saving, dude? Finally, dude. Took way too long. Graphics. Sick. Ah, sick. Got it working. Ugh. There you go. There you go. So now we will just place these nodes around. Yeah. Perfect, dude. Take away, take down. We just kind of spread. It doesn't make much sense for there to be like different places for like every level. which is kind of weird, but just gonna move it anyways. But it's gonna look alright. That'll do. I will delete these nodes for now. Right, nice. And we'll just put on the main camera like a movement controller or something. I just put it on the WASD keys. I might not even have it dragged. Dragging's good, but like, if I can use WASD and just click on it, I think that's even better. Public. Serialized field, private, float, move speed. Before we go any further, I might have a quick smoke, and then I'll come back. Alright, I am back. I am back. I'm fucking tired today, dude. I had a shit sleep last night. Need to get some energy in me. Need to pump myself up, dude. Got some vitamins. Take some of these vitamins. I got ginseng for energy. Ginseng. Some fucking Asian shit, bro. Yeah. Fuck. I had a long sleep, just the quality is poor, you know? Get some of that into me. Alright. So, move speed. Oh, okay. Yeah, that sucks, dude. That sucks. Private void update. We need to check if we're moving, so we won't be using the old system, we'll be using the new input system. So by memory, add input. I can't remember how to do it. I think I have to import it actually. File, window, panels, window, package manager. Okay, input manager. Registry, input system, install. So install the new input system. The new input system is better. It's just a little bit more complicated to use. And I don't remember it nowhere near as well as I do the old input system, but we'll use it anyhow. Because it's better. So you should always be learning new things. Might do a shorter one today as well, actually. I might do a 2 hour one as opposed to a 3 hour one, simply because I've got some visitors over today. And I forgot to start Clockify again, bro. But yeah, so what skill set do you have, dude? Like, I'd definitely be interested in having a hand. We're a small studio. I only really have one other active person with me at the moment who's helping me with the games. Um, but if you're interested, here's our website, Psychedelic Emuz. Go to Twitch. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Do you reckon you'd be able to make like sprites and stuff like that? Okay, yeah. And in regards to the pay, I would probably only be able to promise you royalties, but I won't be able to promise you any actual real money at the moment. Would that be okay with you? Player? Setting. Player? Alright, now we are officially using the new input system. Yeah, for sure, dude. We can organize something, I think. And look at Chatty. Yeah, for sure. Well, you know, basically where we need help, it's mainly just the like the icons and stuff. Because if the AI, I think the AI would be the AI generated stuff will be fine, but um, like having our own kind of sprites would be nice, and being able to like edit them a little bit and touch them up would be nice as well. But I think here's now like yeah, well I'm really strapped for cash, so um I'm in that boot, that's for sure. But yeah, I do plan on releasing this game to Steam. So if we get if we get any money, anyone who's been involved will get some form of royalties. That's generally how Psychedelic Emus will work in regards to how they'll pay their people, the team members, is through royalties for each of the games. So um yeah, we can do that. Um I'll have to set up a time where we can have like a better discussion and where I can view some of the work you've done beforehand. To figure out how to do that. So, do you have an email address that you use? Oh, I guess I can just contact you through Discord. I'll just contact you through Discord and we'll have like a meeting um sometime soon where we can work out exactly what type of things you can do um and like how often you can do them. Yeah, I'll just contact you via Discord for that. That shouldn't be too much of a hassle. Alright. Um okay, so I need to remember how this works. So main menu, player input, we need to input asset. So let's create our own input asset. Yeah. There should be like input somewhere here. Right. For actions. Um, edit this asset. Action map, we'll call it standard. And we'll make a new action movement. We'll give it listen. It's not a button, it's a value. It's an axis. And then we need a positive and negative binding. Actually, not a 1D access. Positive. I think this is how it works. Oh, vector 2, that's what I'm after. Vector 2, up, down, left, right, composite. There we go. Movement. Up, gonna be W. Down is gonna be S. Left is gonna be A. Right is gonna be D. That should be fine. Keyboard. WASD movement. Do that. That should be fine now. Save this. Let's go back into main camera. Drag this in. And let's go invoke Unity events. And then we need a Unity event here called public void on movement. And we'll just give this callback context. So it's in Unity engine input using Unity engine dot input system. Let's just callback context. Dot input system engine input system. No worries, dude. That is a bit late. Input system dot callback context text. Just want the callback context. Why is it that hard? Let's have a look-see on website. Callback context Unity. Input action. Input action dot callback context. Then we'll just go context. We go if Well, let's save the vector2. So vector2 current move. We'll save a variable up here actually, private vector2 input vector, and then we'll save the input vector equals context dot get read value. Context dot performed. Now we'll just read the value. And then in the update, we're gonna go, actually we'll do it in fixed update here. So private void fixed update. Then let's go if and let's just transform dot position time equals plus or equals times by input vector times by move speed times by time dot fixed delta time. This just make a vector2 here. We'll call it movement equals this, and then we'll plus movement. Okay, we'll have to create a new vector3. So new vector3 movement dot x movement dot y and then 0 for the z-axis. Oh, that's a bit better. Now we'll put on some relaxing music for Stockfish. Put on some like ambient bird singing so we can get a good night's sleep. But dreamy. We'll get some real nice, like, ambient, dreamy stuff, you know. Oh, look at that, that's better. Good. Oh, there you go. There you go. We'll just play some nice music and go back to it. And just cancel. Oh wow, yeah, right. That's actually kind of cool. The input vector. My mouse is moving faster than what it usually does. Okay, that's better. That's good, and now we just need to zoom in and out. Yeah, it happens all the time, dude. It's ever since I got this new mouse. Really annoying. But it's a good mouse, it's just, yeah, sometimes happens. Zoom. And we'll listen to this. It's not a button, it's a value, and it is an axis. Listen. It's not an axis. It's not a button. Is it an analog? No. I don't know what it is. Play this. So negative is gonna be this. Scroll down. Scroll up. Okay, that should be fine now. I don't know if that will work or not, but we'll find out. Let's save that asset. Let's go back to our main map camera viewer. Well, let's test this first. Map camera mover, we'll give it a speed of 100. And we'll go movement. This map camera mover on movement. Save this. And then let's play and see what happens. Well, it's definitely moving. But Unity's screaming at me. Let's have a look at what it's screaming about. I know why. That's just our UI complaining because we've changed the input system. Yeah, bro. Oh, there's a new meme. Meme break.
You call that an MP5? Das ist ein Stück Scheiße. You Americans are very funny, yeah? Oh, you 3D printed that? No way. I'm a developer at HK. I don't think this is okay. Look at this. The way you massacred my boy. This looks a little chunky, yeah? Isn't this already patented or something? I don't know if you're allowed to do this. You're messing with German engineering. Where is the magnets? Hans, I think we have a problem. Ich habe eine MP5, you give a little slap. Ich habe eine MP5, we slap it just like that. Ich habe eine MP5, we have a little fun. Ich habe eine MP5, a 3D printed one.
Listen, I didn't come all this way for you to just be gentle with me, alright? I need you to slap me hard. I need to go into battery, alright? Give it to me. Don't hold back.
Do the HK slap.
So what is this, dude?
Do you mean to tell me that you made this in your living room with just a 3D printer? Yeah. Oh, I still don't quite understand. You mean you just squirted it? What? I squirted it, yeah. I squirted it out of the 3D printer with plastic in my living room, yeah. I'm scared. This could mean anyone could 3D print it into a living room. I think that's the point, yeah. But it's very scary. Well, sometimes the world is a scary place. Slap it with your left. Slap it with your right. Slap it in the day. Slap it in the night. Slap it like you mean it. Slap it like a god. I slap it when I see it. It always gets me hard.
Listen, I didn't come all this way for you to just be gentle with me, alright? I need you to slap me hard. I need to go into battery.
Dude, it's actually a decent song.
Don't hold back.
Do the HK slap.
Alright. There's some more at the end. I was it's actually a decent song. That's what was so tripping about it, bro. What the hell? Alright, go back to sleep. Go back to sleep, Stockfish. Yeah, I'll put on the music for you. What does that emoji look like? Alright. It's a bit too like just moves so quickly and it's just stuttering. Have you seen that before? Oh shit! That is funny, dude. Sleep stream. Oh my gosh, dude, is that a thing? Better not be a fucking thing, bro. That's a thing, isn't it? Man, this world's a curious place, bro. This world, bro. Sometimes, man, this world. Twitch has a category for it. Of course it does, dude. You know. Alright, I think I'm actually gonna put like a physics rendering on it. Just so we can have like smoother movement without having to code it. I'm gonna put rigid body 2D. Give it a rigid body 2D. And then we'll just add a force on the in this bit here. So we'll go private rigid body 2D. Rigid body 2D. And we'll get the weird start. We'll get the rigid body on the start. And then we'll just add the movement in the fixed update. Rigid body 2D dot add force. Vector my gosh, we're done. Movement vector 2 movement equals input vector times by move speed times by time dot fixed delta time, and then we'll just add movement here. Movement dot add force. Oops. Input rigid body 2D, my bad. Rigid body 2D dot add force movement. There we go. And then we'll just turn off gravity scale and input some linear drag here. And let's see what this looks like. Okay, that's better. It's not like flinging around everywhere now. I'll remove time.fixed delta time, as I don't think we need to do it because it's already moving in on the physics engine, which runs in fixed update. So I think just adding any form of force will be fine. That'll also increase our move speed drastically because it won't be being times by a very small number, and that's good. Okay, we have some movement. I just want there to be like a certain kind of limit to how far my camera can go. Let's main camera, we'll add like a border. So we'll go could make a rect, I guess. Let's have a look at what a rect looks like. Private. I hope you like it, Stockfish. Get some rest, mate. Get some rest. So let's have a rect. Let's have a look at a rect. Then I just want to have a look at what the rect looks like. So let's have a look at what she looks like. Where it's positioned and the width and the height. let's just presume it's in a square. So we get serialized field private float X range and serialized field private float Y range. And we'll just get these to like prevent the movement on either side. So in update, private update, we want to check whether or not our position is more than position.x is more than the x range dot x. X range. X range or transform dot position dot x is less than negative x range. At any moment it is more than x range or less than x range, we just want to reset the position to be the correct range. To be at the correct position inside those boundaries. So we'll go vector 3, transform dot position dot x, no transform, okay, x range. Did this a little bit wrong, we'll just get rid of that. It's more than x range. From the position dot y. Go. Transform dot position dot z. And then we're just going to do the same for the negative side. And then the same for the y ranges. Okay, now we'll test the script, see if we done it. give it some space to work with. Let's give it 100. I think it's a lot smaller than 100. Yeah, it's 8. Let's give it a position of 10. Maybe 15. 15. Save that and have a look. Well, 15 was way more than what we needed, so let's bump it down a bit. Still more than we needed. We'll put it at 10. Yeah, even that's a lot, but that's much better. Let's decrease the vertical hinges to about 6. Yeah, that's better. That's nice. Well, now it's working good. Drowned ship Easter egg level. We could. We could. That would be kind of cool. How'd the bugs get there though? Are they like the bugs all swimming? Scuba gear. But the bugs have scuba gear on. They got certified. Yeah, right. No, scuba tank for each of the bugs? I don't think so. Could just have like fish instead of bugs, but that's a lot for just one Easter egg. Yeah, I could put it at like the very bottom left of the map, so the player has to literally look all the way at the bottom left, and there's the fucking node there. That would be cool. Yeah, let's fucking do it. We just have to work out how the logistics of it work. Or just ignore the fact that bugs can't swim underwater and just put bugs there anyways. Be funny. Let's go optional level. We'll just call it. No, I haven't. Is it any good? I don't know why my computer's lagging that hard. Oh, okay, yeah. Alright. Well, I think I might end this one here, because I did say I was only going to go for 2 hours today. Because I have people over, so I better go and say good day to them. Have you played Cult of the Lamb? It is very good. I'll give that a look. Cult of the Lamb. Start your own cult in the land of false prophets, venturing out into diverse, mysterious regions to build a loyal community of woodland followers, and spread your word to become the one true cult. That's kind of cool. Is it like a campaign, or like you kind of have freedom to build your cult however you see fit? Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay. How much is it? Well, I have to have a look at it at some point. Current 35.95. Yeah. Alright, well I'm gonna end this one here. As I was saying, I've got people over, so I gotta go. Say good day. Anyhow, thanks Stockfish for tuning in. We'll have to have that meeting at some point. I will message you about it. All good. I will see you later. Ciao.